Ever wondered what causes diabetes? It's a question that has puzzled many. This disease, often misunderstood, affects countless lives globally. So, what's the real story behind diabetes? Stay tuned as we delve into the main culprits behind this widespread health condition. First off, we have genetics. Yes, your DNA plays a significant role in determining how your body produces insulin, which is key to controlling your blood sugar levels. If your family has a history of diabetes, it might be a good idea to keep an eye on your blood sugar levels. Next up, obesity. Carrying excess weight, especially in your midsection, can cause insulin resistance, a precursor to diabetes. Then there's lack of exercise. Regular physical activity helps control your weight and boosts your body's sensitivity to insulin. Falling short on exercise, you're increasing your risk for diabetes. Poor diet also plays a role. Consuming too many processed foods, high in sugar and low in nutrients, can lead to weight gain and insulin resistance. Lastly, let's talk about stress. Constant stress can wreak havoc on your body, including your blood sugar levels. These are the most common causes, but remember, diabetes can also develop due to other reasons. In summary, diabetes is a complex disease with several contributing factors. Let's recap. Our genes, lifestyle choices, and environmental influences intertwine in ways that can lead to the onset of diabetes. It's not a simple cause and effect situation, rather it's a multifaceted issue where all these factors work together. So, it's critical to remember that diabetes is not a one-size-fits-all disease. Remember, understanding the causes is the first step towards prevention and effective management. Stay healthy,